Hello students, welcome to another session of Narayana Live classes. Today I am going to discuss 9th class Unit 2A assignment paper. Okay, so once look at the question paper. Imagine you are listening to the commentary, your father came there and reminded you of the ensuing examinations. He said listening to cricket commentary is a waste of time. So this is the topic they had given to us. Now develop a conversation between you and your father. Actually, what is a conversation? First of all, we should know that it's a major discourse, 10 marks question for us, and conversation is nothing but the argumentation or the converse between two characters, and sometimes more than 2 or 3 characters will be there. Okay, that it based on the given topic, the characters will be increased. Okay, so here only 2 characters, that is you and your father is given. So that's why here we have to take 2 characters. One is me and one is father, or son and father. Like that also we can take the characters. Is it clear, ma? So now here in the conversation, what we have to discuss? In conversation, we have to go for the argumentation. We can go for the question to answer, answer to question, and any topic, positive attitudes, positive discussion should be there, and in that polite discussion and humble salutations should be there. Means here it should not be arrogant, it should not be out of a given context. Okay, related to the context, we have to develop the conversation, we have to develop the dialogues. Okay, ma. So here I have written some indicators. That is, first, writing dialogues with 10 exchanges. That is most important. 10 to 12 or 12 to 15 sometimes. Okay, that depends on them. Especially for topmost students, 12 to 15 exchanges we have to write. Normal students, they can write it 10 exchanges, no problem. But we have to elaborate it. Next one, compulsory we have to keep in our mind 10 exchanges compulsory, because it is 10 marks question. Next, using proper sequence of exchanges, one by one, exchanging the ideas. So that proper sequence, order should be there. Whatever he is talking, for that connectivities should be there. Connection should be there between your conversation. Next, sustaining the conversation with social norms like being polite, reflecting relationships, etc. So being polite means here polite discussion should be there, polite conversation should be there, and maintain the relationships between these characters, and this reflecting, whatever you are talking, it should reflect on that. Means here the given topic should not deviate from the discussion. So this is sustaining the conversation. Next, using discourses makers. Compulsory discourses makers means here that all the parameters, drawing the outlines, okay, putting the heading, and starting with capital letters. Wherever this indicators is required, that is cohesive devices, and this markings, that is punctuations, wherever it is required, that all the things we have to write in these discourses makers. And next, using short responses and tags wherever necessary. So the conversation should be in a short form, not very lengthy statement, not very lengthy dialogues. Okay, short forms should be there, and sometimes tags also, sometimes questionings also, wherever necessary we can write in that. And next, using dialogues apt to the content. Content means here related to the topic. Now here watching cricket commentary or listening to cricket commentary is a waste of time, father said. So related to that only, that content is given to us, that is the topic. Content means, so related to that topic we have to discuss, not from apart from that, not to deviate the topic. Okay, so from cricket commentary to football commentary or some other things, we should not go other sports and games. Only given topic should be discussed in that. Next, cohesive devices. Okay, this cohesive devices is nothing but the sequences and the other things. Next, well-formed construction, that is proper sentence. Here cohesive devices, just now I said that proper punctuation marks, question tags, that everything wherever necessary. And next, this connectivities and this pronouns, everything should be used in this. Well-formed structure also is most important. Well-formed structure is nothing but tense formation, and subject verb agreement also should be there. Okay, first subject, afterwards verb, next object should be there. So all these things we have to keep in our mind while writing the conversation or developing a conversation. Is it clear, ma? So this is about conversation for us. Now we will meet again in another session of our Narayana classes. Till then, take care. Bye. Thank you.